Hari Om, Namo Namaha, Sarvebhyah. Bowing greetings to everyone. Atha Sanskrita Katha Samayah. Now it's time for Sanskrit or Sanskritam Katha, Sanskrit story. Discuss a short story which has some deep and significant meaning. Sādhūnāṁ Jīvanam. Name of the Katha, name of the story is the life of Sadhu. Sadhu is a Sanskrit word, the meaning of which is saintly persons. So, Sādhūnāṁ Jīvanam, life of saintly persons. So, it's a very sweet and short story. Ganga Tire Ekaha Sadhuhu Asit. At the bank of river Ganges, there lived one sadhu, one sage or one saint. Saha sadhuhu bahu upakaram karoti sma. That sage did many benevolent acts, many helpful activities. He helped others. Yaha apakaram karoti tasyapi upakaram karoti sma. One who betrayed with others, he also helped them. Okay, one who did bad things to others, he also helped those persons. Ekasmin dine saha Ganga nadyam snanam kartum nadim gatavan. One day, he went to take a bath in the river Ganges. Nadi pravahe ekaha vrishchikaha agataha. In the flow of the river, there came one vrishchikaha. Vrishchikaha means one scorpion. Along the flow of the river, there came one scorpion. Saha sadhuhu vrishchikam drushtavan. That sage saw that scorpion coming there, right? Tam hastena grihitavan. He took that scorpion in his hand, okay, in the sadhu, the saint. Tire sthapaitum prayatnam kritavan. So he wanted to take the scorpion and wanted to put it on the shore of the river. And he tried to do that. Tire sthapayitum prayatnam kritavan. He tried to do that, to place the scorpion at the shore of the river. Kintu saha sadhoho hastam adashat. But that scorpion bit the hand of the sage, the hand of the sadhu. Sadhuhu tam tyaktavan. Of course, the sage suddenly it bit in his hand, so it let the vrishchik, the scorpion, fall on the ground. Vrishchikaha. Yeah. So sadhuhu tam tyaktavan. The sadhu left the scorpion. Vrishchikaha jale apatat. So the scorpion again fell in the water. Punaha sadhuhu vrishchikam grihitva tire sthapayitum prayatnam kritavan. The scorpion fell in the water, in the river. He again tried to take the scorpion and put it on the shore of the river. Vrishchikaha punaha vrishchikaha hastam adashat. Again, the scorpion bit this sage's hand. Evam anekavaram sadhuhu vrishchikam grihitavan. Thus, the sage took the scorpion in his hand many times. Vrishchikaha api adashat. And every time, the scorpion also bit his hand. Nadi tire ekaha purushaha asit. There was one gentleman seeing all of this, standing on the shore of the river. Okay. Sadhu Maharaja ayam vrishchikaha dushtaha saha punaha dashati bhavan kimartham tam haste britha sthapayati vrishchikam tyajatu. So the person standing on the shore of the river told to this saintly person, Sadhu Maharaj, O saintly person, O great noble man, ayam vrishchikaha dushtaha. This scorpion is wicked. Saha punaha dashati. It is biting you again and again. Bhavan kimartham tam haste britha sthapayati. Why do you take this scorpion for no reason in your hand, in spite of it biting you every time? Vrishchikam tyajatu. Let go of this scorpion. Iti uktavan saha. Thus, that gentleman who was watching all of this said to the sage. Tada sadhuhu uktavan. Then the sage said. What did he say? We will see. Vrishchikaha kshudraha jantuhu. This scorpion is a small little creature, right? This scorpion is a little creature. Dangshanam tasya swabhavaha. To bite is its nature. Saha swasya swabhavam na tyajati. He does not leave his own habit of biting others. Aham tu manushyah. However, I am manushyah means human being. Aham mama paropakara swabhavam katham tyajami. How can I, being a human, how can I leave or let go of my habit of helping others? Iti means thus the sage spoke to this other gentleman. Basically, he mentioned that this scorpion, which has been biting him again and again and again, this is a little creature. Its habit is biting others. It's a little creature. It does not have consciousness to decide what is good, what is wrong, what is right, what is wrong. But aham tu manushyah, but I am human being. How can I live my habit of helping others? Right? So aham tu manushyah, aham mama paropakara swabhavam katham tyajami. Aham mama paropakara swabhavam katham tyajami. How can I leave or let go of my habit of helping others? Iti, thus the sage spoke. So the moral of the story is yaha apakarinam api upakaram karoti saha eva sadhuhu bhavati. I will say that again. Yaha apakarinam api upakaram karoti saha eva sadhuhu bhavati. One who helps others, even who does bad things to others, who harm others, that person is called a sadhu or a great human being, a sage, a saint. So this is the story named Sādhūnāṁ Jīvanam. Sādhūnāṁ Jīvanam, the life of great human beings. I hope you enjoyed this story. I look forward to seeing you in our next Sanskritam session. Till then, take care. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramayaha. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om shanti shanti shanti. Harihi Om Tat Sat. Punarmilamaha. Dhanyavadaha. We will see each other again. Thank you.